So third section, everyday mathematics. 21st question. Mohan's mother had 4 apples. She gave each one of Mohan's 3 friends half an apple to eat. What fraction of the 4 apples was remained? So, so Mohan's mother had 4 apples. She gave 3 of his friends half an apple to eat. So half plus half plus half is equal to half plus half is 1 and half, 1 and half. So required fraction of 4 apples is equal to 4 minus 1 and half. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus half is 2 half. So option D, 2 and half is the right answer, children. 22nd question. Mohit earns rupees 5,503 in a month. Every month he spends rupees 2,186 and saves the rest. How much will he save in 2 years? Amount of money Mohit earns in a month is equal to rupees 5,503. Amount of money he spends every month is equal to 2,186 and he saves the rest of the amount. Amount of money he saves every month is equal to 5,503 minus 2,186. 3 minus 6 will not go, take a borrow. So it becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 went borrow, becomes 9. 1 went borrow, it becomes 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So amount of money he saves every month is equal to rupees 3,317. How much will he save in 2 years? So amount of money he saves in 2 years is nothing but 24 months. 2 years is nothing but 24 months, children. So 3,317 into 24. 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 threes are 12. 1 carry. 4 threes are 12 plus 1 is 13. 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 threes are 6. And 2 threes are 6. So add 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. So 79,608 rupees. So option D is the right answer, children. 23rd question. Rajni bought a storybook worth rupees 2,483 and 2 drawing books worth rupees 1,926 each. Find the estimated amount of money paid by her rounded off to the nearest tens. Cost of storybook is equal to rupees 2,483. Cost of 2 drawing books is equal to how much? So here one storybook cost is given as 1,926. So cost of 2 drawing books is equal to 1,926 into 2. So 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we got the cost of 2 drawing books 3,852. So find the estimated amount of money paid by her. Amount of money paid by her is equal to 2,483 plus 3,852. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Estimated amount is equal to, rounded off to the nearest tens. So estimated amount is equal to rounding off to nearest tens. So ones place is compared with 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Then ones place becomes 0. We have to add 1 to tens place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Remaining digits are same. So 6340 is the answer. So option A is the right answer, children. 24th question. Amit went for a walk and returned home at 7 a.m. If it took him 2 hours and 45 minutes, then at what time did he start to walk? Time at which Amit returned home is equal to 7 a.m. So time at which he start to walk is equal to 2 hours 45 minutes before 7 a.m. So we can convert this 7 hours into 6 hours plus 60 minutes. So we have to subtract 2 hours 45 minutes. So 0 minus 5 will not go. So take a borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 went borrow, so it becomes 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 15 minutes. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 hours 15 minutes. So 4 hours 15 minutes can be written as 4:15 a.m. So option C is the right answer, children. 25th question. Akshi worked for 8 hours at the exhibition. She was paid rupees 95 for an hour. How much did she earn? So Akshi worked for 8 hours. She paid 95 rupees for an hour. So we are supposed to find out 8 hours payment. Akshi's payment for 1 hour is equal to rupees 95. Payment for 8 hours is equal to 95 into 8. So 95 can be written as 90 plus 5 into 8. If you know 8 table, you can solve it in a very easy method. 8 nines are 72. 8 into 0 is 0 plus 8 fives are 40. So 720 plus 40 is equal to 760 rupees. This is a trick to solve in a very easy method, children. So please remember this method. So option A is the right answer, children. 26th question. 1 kg of onion costs rupees 25. If 3 kg of onions cost as much as 5 kg of potatoes, then how much will it cost to buy 12 kg each of potatoes and onions all together? So, 1 kg of onion cost is equal to rupees 25. Here is a clue given. 3 kg of onions is equal to 5 kg of potatoes. As much as is nothing but equal to, children. So 3 kg of onions is equal to 5 kg of potatoes. 5 kg of potatoes is equal to 3 into 1 kg of onion is 25. So 1 kg of potatoes is equal to 3 into 25 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5 is 25. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So we know 1 kg of onions cost and we know 1 kg of potatoes cost. So we are supposed to find 12 kg of potatoes and 12 kg of onions together. So 12 kg of onions is equal to 12 into 25 plus 12 into potatoes cost is 15. So here what is common? So 12, write 12 outside and 25 plus 15. This is equal to 12 into 25 plus 15 is 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. This is equal to 12 into 0 is 0. 12 fours are 48. So 480 rupees is the answer. So option C is the right answer, children. 27th question. The total length of two pieces of ribbon is 220 centimeters. If the length of one piece of ribbon is 180 centimeter longer than the other, then find the length of the longer piece. Let the length of first ribbon be x and length of second ribbon be y. In the question, we are given a clue that x plus y is equal to 220 centimeters. We don't know the length of x and we don't know the length of y. So one piece of ribbon is 180 centimeters longer than the other. So x is equal to y minus 180. This can be written as x minus y is equal to minus 180. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So let's solve these two equations. So x plus y is equal to 220, x minus y is equal to minus 180. So let's solve these two equations. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x is 2x equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 8 will not go. So take a borrow, it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 1 went borrow, this becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So x is equal to 40 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros are 0. So we got x as 20 centimeters. So let's substitute x value in the first equation. So 20 plus y is equal to 220. Y is equal to 220 minus 20. This implies y is equal to 220 minus 20 is 200 centimeters. So option C is the right answer, children. 28th question. Manya is 13 years old. Kavya is 15 years older than Manya. Akshita is half of Kavya's age. Find the age of Akshita. So age of Manya is equal to 13 years. Age of Kavya is equal to 15 years older than Manya. So 15 years older than Manya. 15 plus 13 is equal to 28 years. Age of Akshita is equal to half of Kavya's age. So half into 28. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1 into 14 is equal to 14 years. So age of Akshita is equal to 14 years. So option C is the right answer, children. 29th question. Mr. Sharma and his family is on their holiday. They spent rupees 3,458 on petrol, rupees 3,765 on food, and rupees 2,900 on stay. They also spent 1,050 rupees on sightseeing. How much did their holiday cost them? So amount of money spent on petrol is equal to rupees 3,458. Amount of money spent on food is equal to rupees 3,765. Amount of money spent on stay is equal to rupees 2,900. Amount of money spent on sightseeing is equal to rupees 1,050. So how much did their holiday cost them? So we are supposed to add all these expenditure they have made. So 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 0 is 13, 13 plus 0 is 13. So 3, 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 0 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 1 carry. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 21 plus 0 is 21, 2 carry, 1 over here. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11,173 rupees is the answer, children. So option D is the right answer, children. Question number 30. Vivan bought 6 kg 500 grams of wheat from one shop and 3 kg 850 grams of wheat from another shop. How much wheat did he buy altogether? So weight of wheat bought from one shop is equal to 6 kg 500 grams. Weight of wheat bought from another shop is equal to 3 kg 850 grams. So total weight is equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 kg 1350 gram. So 1350 grams can be written as 1000 grams plus. So total weight is equal to 9 kg plus 1000 grams plus 350 grams. So this can be written as 1 kg. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 kg 350 grams. So option D is the right answer, children.